Oh, there it is. My chocolate primatoli, I'm not sure. It's getting some color to it though. Let me see if I can keep focused on it. This plant is about 6 months old. It's been doing really good because it's been inside since the middle of December. Basically when it first set that fruit. It's got a few more peppers on here somewhere. There's one of them right there. But and this is my other primatoli down here. I think I saw whether, well, there maybe some fruit setting on here. Kind of early to tell, because the flower will fall off. It'll look like it's setting the fruit, and then the whole thing will just fall off. And kind of hard to tell right away. But anyways, got the girls out here today in the sun for a little bit, but the sun is already kind of clouding over a little bit and getting into the trees here. So ready to bring them back inside already, but doing really good. But I figured out something about these super hot tomatoes. Absolutely, you have to start your seedlings and the sprouts on a heat mat. 85 degrees be your preference, 80 to 90. The stems that these have are so big and thick and strong. After spending a month under the grow light, you can't start a pepper plant without that 15 hours of sunlight, or 15 hours of light per day, supplemental light. This had a bug in it. I broke it off by accident and found the bug, sealed it up, and now it's doing better than ever, but it's going to be a super bush. But if you don't start your seeds on a hot mat at 85 degrees, look at the growth on it. That's from the LED light. All of this is from the LEDs. But you have to start these at 85 or 80 to 90 degrees with 15 hours of light per day. And that's from when you start your seedling like this. This is a seedling down here. This has got to be, I don't have my heat mat yet, so these are going to take forever to sprout. But 15 hours of light per day, no less than 80 degrees. That's important. No less than, look at all the flowers in here. This thing is just super loaded. There you go. There's a nice shot. Look at all the flowers and buds in here. Just everywhere you look. Everywhere on the plant. Look at that flower right there. I flick them around a little bit, try to, if there is any pollen on there, try to get it. Most of these are going to fall off anyway, so treating them rough is probably going to do more to help pollinate them than it is to, man, these things are just so lush. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at those leaves. That's from LED light. Cheap little $35 LED light. Beautiful. So I got a whole bunch of seeds I harvested. I've got ordered a couple more seeds. I'm going to have some seeds from this pretty soon. And I got my heat mat coming. There's another pepper right there. Look how crinkly those things are. You know that's going to be bad hot. So, but I'm gonna give it 100% this year with a heat mat, 15 hours of light, and we're gonna try to get those kind of stems on something by middle of March. None of this 6 or 8 months to get a 6-inch plant.